Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Here I am going to share 4 simple yet effective weight loss tips to stay fit during the festive season. Festive season is almost here. It is that time of the year where family and friends come together to have a great time and enjoy all the delicacies. Sleeping and waking up late, eating a lot of processed foods, consuming a lot of sugar and more alcohol than usual. These can have a negative impact on your bodies, and when the mood is set to just have fun, it's very difficult to make the time to work out and stick to daily habits in the midst of trying to accomplish all your plans. If you are worried about your fitness goals, here are some effective tips that might help you to stay fit. Before we go ahead with the simple tips, please press the like button and subscribe to our channel for more weight loss and fitness tips. 1. Natural sugar. Source sweets made from natural sweeteners like dates, honey, and raisins. This will not only benefit you, but also your guests. This will also help you control cravings and overindulgence, as natural sugars don't create that addiction. 2. Dance more and have fun. Dance as much as you can in all your parties. Playing cards is fun, but it will also mean you are sitting for long hours. So make dancing a part of festival party and get in some movement and dancercise. 3. Fruits. Add a lot of fruits or natural fruit juices through the day, or just have 2 tender coconut water a day. This is excellent to beat dehydration caused by alcohol. 4. Snack wisely. If you cannot avoid snacking, choose nuts, seeds, boiled eggs or grilled chicken. Protein-rich snacks also slow down the sugar spike in the body. Also keep some salads/vegetables with a yogurt dip for healthy snacking. Also, do not forget to stay hydrated. Follow these tips to stay healthy and enjoy the festivities to the fullest. If you love this video, please press the like button and make sure to subscribe to the channel and join our YouTube family. See you in my next video.